Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Cloud Certification Foundations, AWS, Azure and GCP. You all know cloud computing is no longer the future, it is the present. Whether you are in IT, development, data, business or even understanding cloud operations, cloud is the present and its quintessential platform for all the organizations. Diving into top 3 cloud providers: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Let's see how these certifications can kickstart and elevate your cloud journey. AWS, it's one of the pioneers and now the market leader in cloud. It has a huge global infrastructure and service variety. Microsoft Azure, strong hybrid cloud and amazing enterprise solutions integration. It has a very deep integration with all the Microsoft products and solutions we use daily, like Office 365 or even Windows. Cloud platform, known for its AI capabilities, innovation-focused services, growth fast on analytics services. Of all the three, which one is best? Which one suits your skills and which ones are in the top queue of your aspiration? Let's focus in the content of that we are going to talk about. Will broadly cover all these 3 clouds and their success path of how to understand the journey of certifications these all certification providers provide, and how can you personally link your career aspiration with the cloud of your choice and grow your skills there.